So you cannot even draw the distinction between the two. And also ye near yansu yabe more traditional way before you realize they entered quote unquote ebi or hinim hubi ebi mpono or hinim hubi. And that is where the argument lies. Because they be almost say, yentimi nya bra or hinim hubi, yentimi ya wo your jurisdiction. But biya nana ukokodru. Your jurisdiction. For instance, if I should, my mean chawadi, memfa insuya nye example. Insuya at a point in time, na me de me sesimi bo on radio station baby ameko say, meka hubi and ama Gallamsey ama sehwiyoso. Because at a point in time, this Gallamsey ni sehwiyoso. Why am I saying this? Kayaso within the 2017-2018, Nkrofobi buy. Omode niyama ebe guho ye nimba bi aniyama ni free. Head doors so chen wuden. At a point it wasn't easy. Ye ba be hui ye ma authorities say ano asoti. That time na ye Honorable Louis. When I met Louis, I'm be bona man ye no. Asha say na wonim later. Ni ba bi ani 2 minutes free na ya song so a chen. Onu ankasa. Mefa kwen so madam emrante hene ni nsuonsu amrante ase. Asa den. In fact, you can't boom say on Beshano. It's a ya course by ya ni copium say if you are not going to allow them, your mom says at Crotamo. How we be drew woma de chin ye kohun yemano na it wasn't easy. Ya wora bebre wonsuonsu sa ne yekikan ye biya den ewom. A free jina say tano so ha. Insuo na no you know Tano River no ma himfie ho just some few you know Tano River no the sunsuo krum ha. Ne free ha insuo sa kwaka ye ne nkawe ahene hye so yes me ufa nsuo akwan so a sa se eba bedru Tano duma se gire so ho ye nkawe ahene asase na to afa go so enkwa asante na to afa ne sei towards go so ahafo asase ada no nyina is full of gold because no how mo ye dia se ne na me udi kan edi nkomo off air no eto as ade ne edam lie just say probability and a possibility say hands over hono. There have been countless occasions on Moba, and we don't allow them. I will not say myself, my name in point for we don't allow them.
So once you don't allow them and it holds, it means we are powerful in a way.
Yes, I'm coming.
So what is that?
Yes, and I'm powerful. That's why I don't get the credit. Myself, my community members, the youth, everywhere. No munyina bomi chidom. Itine ma hodin wom. We go, then we try to, because oboba, we tell them we are not going to entertain it. Yen so sumpo na dru ha. Na there were instances sumpo no mu wo mo kwan wo fofa so. Na na Gallamsey me no kanya sam kikuma o. Answer nipan beba krom ho no. Let me tell you something. Answer nipan beba because in the second scenario me who said no. Community ni person mo G2 mo no. In fact, it was very serious. Answer mo beba krom ho no. Omo di kan ahu ba bia a person mo ye omo adwuma. Okay, so ma me wasa e wo fu bi onsu. They say am not ya me mo ha me ye madwuma wa ha. Inti enne Gallamsey fu adu achi ma mo ko. Anope am no ka say wo no mo ko. They are not going with equipment o. So wo call fom. How do mo ko? They have their traditional way of mode ye test. E ye hu say e bi wa ha. Inti ye hu fu be ye nan ya ye hu. Ye di kan hia okokoam. Ye no adi nkomo. Ye ma 500,000 which is owed 5 billion. Hu bi da. Then over there even going to the farm the crowd come about 10,000 5,000. You fu be me and san 9 omo no maka. The next point of call is to come and see the politicians in a way. Because I will see who politicians. The next thing is to see the security services. And the nipa no shas ye guru na nkasa de or ten crime. If you also moya juma or move from Jubilee House or Flagstaff House or no so ye na juma de e wo ho. Me kamichiro say ebetimi adube abuso mi ensane nana. Wa ye nyama che say edidase wo kro mu a you are not even aware. If you are who is very powerful in the community, Abrante we hadwen ye be invited we hadwen ahimfie ho we na oye yi we na we it at the end of the day na ye be ba ho no believe me. Exactly. And that is where the problem is. That is where the problem is because a bar Me second encounter make us at this time. Na akwe this time round, omo buy. I'm talking about few years after the 2017-18 incident. I feel me ba you people were all aware. Me ba say me hot there. And it is true for Gallamsey and Kasa at my place as it stands now. No, there's no Gallamsey. Until the Tano River incident, I'm about me no be the home.
Correct.
Yes. Iti near Koko by and say there was another 2-3 incidents. It's like by almost some obey Jumano. The case will be far realized. Mranchana shall say that no much mame. Mona minimum pamui. And another Jawudi Uya Juma, and I would dear Jawa when your cabiato, you don't branch in your be. Do you get it? Yeah, the on Percy, the best dying, and your coasa, she say. Send you winning me, Yemu being so yet and some. Masha see a picky those stuff. Now, when I call that I bring Gallamsey issue, they have a map. Abrana can be both PUR when you know. I ma. No, it's on records. Anglo, yo, I'm never the whole. Gallamsey, Bruni time, shaft. Benun the bell and catcher and odiano. Timranchen Kushimanum podie, dig and wash, or mode, a yibu bobo bar no maji. So mushim now kwa one share and say as omo munya oxygen ukwa to be any for na expert moba it will go to a time me cost stop you me chibe me nukra gum you understand na me bo chira no for amane na say omo share exploration that say drilling it in emrante ne ye ne say omo de bottle because yini gu hodada no masisa even midnight no omo de afaka father other side na omo de ko I reported same to chira no mines it every day. As I'm speaking to you, a soldier for a day, but the truth of the fact is, a soldier for the better side. It is still going on. I'm aware because I'm a bomb paying for the bomb man. Yes, and I'm much be who say car baho. So can I go there midnight? And soldier, excuse me, soldier for the they come there, then they close and go. It in dealing with BB when it is about money. Now, baby, as cash and want some kind of way, my name and the moral values are awunti ayatin. Honestly speaking, ayatin. Baby, I'm not CC kasha. Ni aboya mani say hasikasha ha nemom menyi. Me come to say Adepa chobeba ni yi ma umpe be yon wanwa. Why can wanwa kura be ma ukra twa hwewu. And this is what is going on. So with the tano nsuo dia na me kan yehu say omo osoro ho no they are doing it. Tano dumase jireso go so that part no so your money yet den ma me say omo say ni nyina ye nkawe asase omo som onyina hini
no jurisdiction
enye jurisdiction traditionally so they are not under Katachi.
Yeah, sure.
Enye jurisdiction because I remember there was a time Katachi invited me tano so hene ene bakon ka hene nsuo ni chase na say no. I took my time and explained things to him onu ama me letter ma me command mineral commission omo bie ni omo buy ema ya come me mrante hene chas. Then when we realize it says stream bid da tano dumase eno de omo ye wo hopanto omo bia na abehye tano no omo ye so mbe pam omo ya nte ho hwe sabe mintimi nko ho nya me jurisdiction. Then on the other side na ekọ goals no omo so ehye goals wase kukuom ma hene enso ensase ene ho itini ekọ ye ne say so mu firi ho no mo ya omo ba no mbedu ye ha omo ntimi ma. They tried it once. There was a time, I think last year or so. Omo babe drew me medium mbo shemba konka. Ena ye ho nso no utwa nsuo na no akwa ho kwa. Nsuo ano. Nti aho kwa ni nsuo ye ba ye mfa ka ye de kodo na etwa. Utwa ya no adru aho kwa. This side esuye nso. Aha ye ba konka. It along the stretch quickly. Me friend na nanom e wo ho ni nyina na obi asa e wonim ho hwe. Eno so timamufuo no and I'm telling you, 1 a.m. And I'm in that was the first time I'm bedi adia me fo shema, and it wasn't easy. And ye koko to tumutio says no ahokwa fo ne mika umunim suyo sufo nim. Ye ko say machine say ne kra. They were from the top. It an ajuno mudi no omudia no mode ba ye ho.
To ho de na mutumi won ba odiem.
Omo baye ho jurisdiction. Ba na me ka say omo ba na dwuno omo baye ho a. Omo ya ebebo be 2-3 ni ade be che no omo kọ. It is you na say no de nyina nim say sorofo no na ye den. Ese no. pasa no mu didi ba yedi enti Nyankopon eno yi omo so ayi omo ba omo be ha omo da omo ho na omo engine no essay iti ade chi omo ko hwe omo shema how do you call it, net eno ko say na yesi ni me wa ha na ye frɛ me man payfo ko twetwa ho infonyi they did report come a mineral commission for about 1 week the machine was still there obi amfi it na was say yenya ene ekwa because me frɛ na nanom ye betena ho ye frɛ police for crime ye betena ho wo Bilaland Hotel ahemfo na ye da nsuo na no a obi a ye say omu nyina anim ho hwe so we took a decision ene ye say iti e bibia ni wa e hya ase free yen ye ha e de kɔ na free so ho. Fast forward. Atwa so ani mnante e be kan ko sin say nsuo mu si asa ne soro ho am ha nyina say see am kam chiro say me krom ho about 70% of the youth ni na free ho
omo free krom ho omo kɔ Gallamsey omo nyina and it is not only nsuo sia because the last time anana no ye share ya make report other areas nyina the reason being is say see ase kokoro mu dua na wu odua na wu enu ye 1 2 Gallamsey be mo manya sika mo ba na de so won pre we say dey come out table ma adwuma be ye ne ho toye na mia nzuye mia ba sachi anwuro do ma ye na say won pre and on a basic principle that have an integrity to protect if anything at all. You see there be make sure say say bia Gallamsey mo yo ye ntimi nya bi o we can ye betime when e ba be pam mo so na mo ye wo hayi because me hwe dey wo mo processes ni city a se wo ma ho kwan na mo be hye ho a police phone po ma obi when akọ frɛ no obi amba because omunim kwan o mo fa so e maneuver o mo we na mo ba the which is that that's bit o year 1 aban na kyekere ahemfo mo nsa gumachi with regards to ne minerals ho nsɛmsɛm
sure
because say embra na kyekere mo nsa gumachi ntino mana matuo wa ho ankasa no kra na san so ye bibi
mana matuo wa ho dia nkenya bibi kyerɛ sɛ asase ne media na wo sai no nemom we don't have the means. Abai I empower EPA. Abai I empower Mineral Commission. Abai I empower Ghana Police Service. Do I have power to arrest as a chief? I don't have any power to arrest. It's me the enemy say beba soa any beba me ho. Na me can say customary law.
Yes.
What you say? It is on hini bi ebe hu bia that is say o ma banana ho. Ni na nan so ate ase say yo some can the any mistake akogu nsen. Na ebi omonko that is the only time ebi anana ehun bebam but se si aye wo instances e bi te say sabio insuo so die ya
ano ye mana na
no ebi insuo ne tuoma kobono e nsu kro ye yi it is a go so wa hin no ko na na ko hu no ye amamre no this so a wonim say ehie mpodam e na wonim so wonim say na na kaya so de e de kompa won pre mpa chat ma say to aye na amamre ho no di. Fast forward, it is true. Say the machine, AC, your friend is saying, "Turn on the show." I won't soon see I'm telling you.
And what are you doing?
And that is, I'm gonna make it. Do I have a power to arrest?
You don't have.
Yes.
So you can't do anything.
No. Because you say, "Be bye." I had the support of my community.
Now,
together with other chiefs, this time round, me person me body. Na omu hyeme you may come na ba ku ye kura den see. Look at what happened. As a time I says a machine no. Yes easy. Ya chechire ye ma ne nko because we want to see them. Be 3 4 5 days ye call no motutu machine nyina akwa ye hu nkrofo no. The rumor started. If so mu ko hu asumasi na one du omani mu ko tutu na say na ye will be a friend divide and rule. Ye dia to ho timrante bi o we mu de abjidi se nananom ye kwasa ni wie ye no makohu nana ohu sa ne ma no. Now there's another incident. This time round the same thing. And shall say we how this machine is also from the top, from Jireso. Me na me tie me amina na tamafo na wo ka say yes the machine be say e wo so, and I'm saying it on authority because ahokwafo ekohui omo frɛ me ahon kwa assemblyman e frɛ me se na ne ehuni me suma me mpan fo omo so koye omo so kohui se machine no nyame o omo ba na omo se yi utimi so omo ba no mu develop forta omo ntimi nko at day time ye be che omo nti e ba sa na o se bia omo ye ne night yes
suye nso mpanyinfo omo so frɛ me teacher ni ya me mate o suye nso so frɛ me sɛ na ya tese nkrofo na mo pam omo no omo san yɛ den aba. So fast forward me ba himfie be hia me mpanyinfo ni nyina. And I'm telling you, they told me clearly, say nana, yentimi sign for shema nko ho anadwo anadwo kita ntuo obibi ko ye we say na me kura me ba ye me ma me mponi makasa me kura me ba me yiri mpo. Do you get it? Here's the case, the right authority na ye EP and so ya report wa momo. Because money ya momo car. Ya momo mo from say life jacket. Because me kai pass mre bi omo ba ye cause say ye call bibi ani. Omo ka kire me say mempe swimmers. No me provide omo with life jackets. Anytime omo be ba ho bia no omo ba be. Me I'm not saying so munim ho bi, but looking at what went on there I'm trying to believe because nothing happened. No arrest was made. Yantisi ya chini papa akumpo. Meanwhile, we went to the place. Into then a show say yeah. Then the last of its kind. I want my listeners to listen. Na mo de ya na obi kan asem ya chichiri nwura de agu yeso. Ada ka so me yonku bi so for pragia. No mu twam wo tano ne nsuo na se na otim enya me himfie panyin bi nipa ni poni mi o nzuzu ahene bo good bo trido.
I see.
Ni akika obi aso ma obi so o suye so obi say no me can wo ma
ndi ya wo ka sa na hemfu nyina ekum.
I made mention of the fact say ye were instances bi mu ho a ye be hu nana mekọ ho because a tangent.
Okay.
And you will instances because even with the Tano River, no, the Tibia you want be. But them say we moon free and ya ha. Unim say Uncle Mo ebe ye, San Francisco, you be who and as a hookwana says you soon you who can be a Jumano Combe Yafa and come with the bed bridge in her.